court ruling on the National Guard deployment in our area. A judge today upholding the restraining order that blocks the deployment. The Trump administration had tried to get it overturned. The judge did not rule the Guard could still be federalized. It's unclear what the Guard's role will now be, and they had been deployed to Broadview and arrived late Wednesday night at the ICE facility. We did not see Guard members there yesterday. Chicago Mayor Brandon Johnson joined a community effort today to push back against ICE enforcement in the city. He joined Alderman Byron Sigcho Lopez and others to distribute signs reading ICE-free zone. The mayor said residents must show strength and solidarity.
And these signs are, these will be signs of refuge. These will be signs of comfort and safety. These will be signs of resistance. And these will be signs for the rest of the world to see that this is how you fight tyranny.
The group was also handing out information to homeowners and business owners about their rights. Protesters and some lawmakers held a prayer service in March this morning, ending at the ICE facility in Broadview. Our Evelyn Holmes was there.
Faith leaders confronted escalating violence at this ICE facility by marching here to Broadview. They may have been denied, but these faith leaders are not deterred from their mission to bring Holy Communion to detainees at the Broadview ICE facility.
This denial is a denial of us bringing what we do, the presence of Christ, into this horrible place.
A delegation of religious leaders from the Chicago area were also joined by hundreds of people who marched down to the Immigration Processing Center in hopes that priests would be allowed to share the Eucharist with those being held there.
They deserve due process. They deserve justice. They're our neighbors.
Illinois State Police stationed outside the detention center said they called ICE with the request, which was denied.
Very disappointed in my government and the representation of my government here at this facility.
Before heading to the facility, the priests, nuns, activists, and community members gathered together at St. Eulalia Church in Maywood for a prayer service. The day-long effort comes as a federal judge issues a temporary restraining order for the removal of the fence, which has been outside the detention facility since September. Today, an appellate court upheld a ruling blocking the Trump administration from deploying National Guard troops in Illinois.
I do salute the judges who made the initial rulings. I know both of them personally. I know there are people who are sworn loyalty to the Constitution, and they're proving it. I just hope that we can hold on to these rulings as they go up through the court process.
After some of the group received communion themselves, the marchers left, leaving only a handful of protesters behind. Faith leaders say their efforts will not stop here. They say they are planning more marches and demonstrations as they continue to support immigrant communities.